plant in the heart of a sea very deep, so deep. A dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and peep to the light. Wake, said the little voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what a wonderful outside world might be. Now I am 6. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. But now I am 6. I'm as clever, so I think I'll be 6 now and forever. Where go the boats? Dark brown is the river, golden is the sun. It flows along forever, with trees on either hand. Windmills are floating, castles afloat. Both of mine a boating where we'll all come home. On goes the river and out goes the mill. Away down the valley, away down the hill. Away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boat ashore. The 5 joyful frogs. 5 joyful frogs hopped to my door. 1 frog was left behind, and then there were 4. 4 naughty frogs climbed up a tree. 1 frog couldn't make it, and then there were 3. 3 foolish frogs didn't know what to do. 1 hopped away, and then there were 2. 2 funny frogs played in the sand. 1 dived into the pond, and then there was 1. 1 wiggling frog jumped all alone. He found no friend, so he went home. Sa baryo maunlad kami nakatira. Lahat ng mga tao rito ay nagkakaisa. Mga bata at matanda ay nagsasama-sama upang pamayan ay maging kasiya-siya. Mga magulang dito ay laging gumagabay upang ang mga anak ay di nakatambay at tuwing gabi hindi nagiging sagabal kaya't aming pagtulog ay may kapagatagan. Sa hanap buhay ay laging nakatuon upang ang pamilya ay hindi magutom, pati mga anak ay may edukasyon. Sa baryo maunlad sila ay inspirasyon. Mga mamamayan ay nagtutulungan sa mga proyektong laan ng barangay, pati mga pinuno ay mga huwaran at gumagawa rin ng may katapatan. Bilang isang bata, ako ay natutuwa sa aming baryo na ngayon ay sagala. Sa kaunarang aking nakikita, aming mananahin hanggang pagtanda.